Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. This is your weekly cloud news roundup on lifternews.com. I'm Corey Bowling.
And I'm Shaylee Webb.
Here's a look at this week's top stories. Oracle Chairman Larry Ellison used the company's annual conference for developers, partners, and customers to set the stage to bash Amazon. Ellison repeatedly ripped Oracle's chief rival in the cloud sector while introducing a new autonomous database. Oracle calls the new product a self-driving database because it uses machine learning to automatically adjust compute and storage requirements. The database, according to Ellison, will be cheaper and faster than Amazon's current database offering called Redshift.
That's no different than when Ellison took jabs at Amazon at last year's Open World event.
Amazon did fire back this time, saying that Ellison's remarks were unrealistic and not grounded in fact, though.
Oracle's Open World Conference wraps up Thursday. The nearly week-long event was touted as a chance to take a deep dive into the future of cloud at Oracle. Some of the announcements include Oracle updating its enterprise resource planning and HR cloud software. That will provide organizations with new services like improved recruiting software and streamlined accounting software. Oracle also introduced a new blockchain cloud service designed to secure and speed up business transactions.
Amazon is crushing its competition in the public cloud, but the company's market share dominance could start to dwindle in the near future. Research firm Gartner sized up the cloud market in a new report. According to the report, Amazon comfortably sits atop the pile of providers in the infrastructure as a service cloud sector, with 44% of total market as of last year. Analysts noted that Microsoft and Google's cloud service both gained momentum in 2016 and expect increased competition to erode Amazon's grip on the market in the future. The report also noted healthy gains from Alibaba, which now clock in at third place in terms of total market share in the infrastructure public cloud segment. That puts Alibaba ahead of marquee names like Google, Rackspace, and IBM. Alibaba also had the biggest year-over-year revenue of any cloud provider.
One of the factors giving AWS a high score on the Lifter Index is the large number of services currently provided by AWS. Azure and Google are still trying to catch up in that area, and so is Alibaba. And speaking of the Chinese tech giant, Alibaba is expanding its global data center footprint to better compete in the cloud industry with Amazon. The company is considering locations for its second data center in Europe. China's e-commerce operator wants to add capacity to the region where it currently operates a data center in Frankfurt. Cloud computing is one of Alibaba's fastest growing businesses. The company currently operates 14 data centers from the US to China.
On the topic of data center expansion, Google is planning to launch its first cloud region in India by the end of this year. It's the latest in an arms race between the major cloud providers to expand data center facilities and lure new customers. Google's new data centers will be based in Mumbai and follows the recent opening of cloud platform regions in Germany and Brazil. Look for an increase in the Google Lifter Index when they add the India region.
Google has announced that it will now start billing customers by the second for its cloud computing services. The move follows in the footsteps of Amazon's recent decision to switch from billing by the hour to charging by the second. Google, however, was a bit dismissive of the demand and benefits of billing by the second. The company says only a fraction of 1% of customers have asked for per-second billing. Additionally, Google says the pricing structure change is not likely to dramatically lower cost for customers. And that's all for us today. Want to get articles and videos straight to your inbox? Sign up for our newsletter on lifternews.com. We'll see you next time.